Dear students, today I am going to discuss this module 5 digital signal processing. The title of the module is Design of FIR filter. Under this module, we are going to discuss realization of FIR filter, how to realize the FIR filter, and how to implement the FIR filter. That we will discuss. Realization of FIR filter. If you see the FIR filter can be realized in two forms. One is using system function realization. The other one is using difference equation. Okay. So the digital filter means generally they will realize the structure by using difference equation. And this FIR filter will have only B coefficients. Your A coefficients will be is equal to 1. And this will be inherently stable. The FIR filter is inherently stable. Now coming to the problem is given that realize the FIR linear phase filter with impulse response h of n equal to del of n minus 1 by 2, del of n minus 1 minus 1 by 4, del of n minus 2 plus del of n minus 3 minus 1 by 2 del of n minus 4 plus del of n minus 6. And generally here your filter, the impulse function will be denoted as del of n. The value will be 0 when n equal to 0. This value will be is equal to 1. That is del of n will be given as 1 when n equal to 0. Other places it is 0. Other places it is 0 when n is not equal to 0. And now substitute. We know that is the transform of h of n. Is the transform of h of n will be is equal to h of z. Okay, that is the transform of h of n is equal to h of z. Okay, this one. Now we know the formula h of z equal to summation n equal to 0 to n minus 1 h of n z power minus n. Now h of z equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 z power minus 1 minus 1 by 4 z power minus 2 plus 1 by 4 z power minus 3 minus 1 by 2 z power minus 4 z. How to find this value means substitute n equal to 0, that is h of 0 and z power 0. What is h of 0? H of 0 value is 1. That is nothing but del of n. That h of n is del of n. Del of n is, that is del of 0. So del of 0 value is 1. Del of 0 value is 1 and z power 0 value is also 1. So 1. Next substitute del of n minus 1. H of 1. Next one is h of 1. H of 1 value is del of n minus 1. Substitute del of n minus 1. N equal to 1. This value is also equal to 1. Z power minus 1. So z power minus 1. So del of n minus 1 value here it is minus 1 by 2. Directly I substituted. Del of n minus 2 is my value is minus 1 by 4. I substituted. Del of n minus 3 value is 1 by 4. I substituted. Now we know that h of z will be always equal to only, you will have only b coefficients. The a coefficients will be is equal to 1. We know that h of z is equal to y of z divided by x of z. Now this value will be is equal to 1. Now cross multiply this one. So y of z equal to x of z, 1 minus 1 by 2 z power minus 1 minus 1 by 4 z power minus 2, those values. Now y of z equal to, take all the this x of z, take inverse is a transform for this one. X of y of n will be equal to x of n minus 1 by 2 x of n minus 1. Here we are going to use shifting property, time shifting property we are going to use. Already we have discussed time shifting, all the properties we have discussed in the last year signals and system. Using the time shifting property, we are going to write y of n equal to x of n minus 1 by 2 x of n minus 1 minus 1 by 4 x of n minus 2 minus 1 by plus 1 by 4 x of n minus 3, all those things. Now all the coefficients, like here x of n, what is the coefficients of x of n? 1. Next, you have to search one coefficient, which this one x data contains one coefficient. Here x of n minus 5 contains coefficient 1. Okay, so I'm going to equate these two things, x of n plus x of n minus 5. Next, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Next, minus 1 by 2 is x of minus 1 by 2, x of n minus 1, minus 1 by 2, x of n. So minus sign you take outside common. So x of n minus 1, x of n minus 4. These two terms you have to take. Next, you have to take minus 1 by 4. So next one you have to take 1 by 4 coefficients outside minus. So x of n minus 2 minus x of n minus 3. So all the coefficients I equated. Okay, here it is 1. Then next I'm going to realize the linear phase structure. Okay, so now how to realize the linear phase structure? Linear phase structure means, so this is your first, you need to draw here how many shifts, how many delay elements are there totally. 1 2 3 4 5 6, total 6 delay elements are there. Okay, totally, sorry, 1 2 3 4 5, here it is nothing, no delay. So totally how many delay elements? 5 delay elements are there. Here it is not shifted, this signal is not shifted. So 5 delay elements are there. So you need 5 delay elements. Okay, you need 5 delay elements. How many adders are? 1 2 3 4 5, 5 adders are there. Okay, 5 adders are there, 5 delay elements are there. See, and here x of n, x of n, x of n will be added with which one? X of n is added with x of n minus 1. So x of n, this one, and then the next one will be x of n minus 5. This both are added. So 1 2 3 4 5, this is x of n minus 5. So that both are added. So I added. Next, x of this one is x of n minus 1. This x of n minus 1 is added with which one? X of n minus 4. Okay, next this one is x of n minus 2. This x of n minus 2 is added with the x of n minus 3. So all will be added, and then finally you can write the y of n. So this is the linear phase realization of your FIR filter. It's a realization of FIR filter using linear phase. Okay, thank you students. If you are having any doubt, you can ask me the doubts in the comment box.